Hey friends, welcome to the vlog. We are at, I don't know if y'all can see it, there we go, Goodwill. We're gonna do a little thrifting today to see if we can find some stuff for the house. No, but seriously, I'm still trying to do my shelves, and I also want to add a few pieces for the dining room and the living room, of course, and then also our bathroom, and what else? That's it. But we're looking for a few pieces, not nothing too crazy, just a little here and there to add to make the house, become that what home. No, I don't know why I'm so excited. I think I'm excited, y'all, because I haven't been to this Goodwill in a hot minute. So I'm excited to see what they have new. I don't think I've been to this Goodwill in probably maybe 6-7 months. So I'm excited to see what they have in here new. So let's get in here. Hopefully we'll find some pieces. I'll do the haul once we get home. But yeah. Okay, y'all, the color of the day is green. Y'all know that's going to be hard to find green. Oh, that's cute. But we shall see. We shall try. Oh, these are cute. Oh, that's pretty. What's this one? Somebody have a barber shop or a hair salon? That's cute. I like that. Little hat. That's cute. I don't know why I never bring my tripod, but I never do. Okay, that's nice. Okay, I think I want to go over here because I'm looking for some black mats. It's cute. This is a nice vase. It's cute. Ooh, a candle. It's no price. Smells good. Okay, let me show y'all this. If it didn't have this paint on it, this would be cute. If they didn't paint it, it's $3. I wish they wouldn't have painted it. That is so cute. It's broken. It's cute. Made in USA. It's cute. These people be looking. Ooh, hold on. Found a piece. This is cute. We're gonna get that. Okay, y'all, we are back in the car. I did not find nothing. We on the roll with this one vase thing, right? For the home decor channel, we keep finding one vase, but this vase would definitely go with the dining room because, you know, it matches the colors and stuff, and I only paid $139 for it. We on the roll with this one vase thing, but that's all we found. Let's do a thumbnail. Because that's crazy. Let me put my glasses on so I can look all cool and stuff, and then we're going to end the video. But let's do a thumbnail so we don't look so crazy. But okay, so that's the thumbnail, y'all. Like, we've only found, it's the second thrift store I have went to, and I've only found one thing. That mug is loud. The next thrift store adventure, hopefully we can find more, but that's all I have for this video, y'all. Thumbs it up. I will see y'all on the next one. Hopefully the next one we'll start decorating, since we keep finding this one thing. We might be going into the dining room before we go into any other room in the house. But I was trying to do this stuff in order, but literally keep finding one vase for the dining room is crazy to me. But anywho, that's all we got. Thanks for watching again. Bye.